Hello! In this video, we will introduce the SAP Emarsys SMS and MMS channel. With this channel, you can create, automate, and deliver messages from your account to reach more of your customer base, even when they're offline. First, you need an SMS vendor that provides SMS messaging services. All SMS vendors that have integrated with Emarsys are listed in the list of providers. Should the desired SMS vendor not be listed, Emarsys offers a partner API to allow SMS vendors to integrate with SAP Emarsys customer engagement. Once your provider is set up, under Management SMS Settings, you can add countries or regions and define additional settings like inbound numbers, fee per SMS, and test message number. You can set customized URLs, which will be used instead of the default Emarsys domains when we shorten your links. This aids with brand recognition and user engagement. Just click here, enter the domain name, and select the type. Once you add your domain, Emarsys checks if it can be reached via our redirect logic. When the domain status is validated, you can use it in your SMS campaigns. Your contacts need to opt in to receive marketing SMSs or MMSs. However, for transactional messages, such as system notifications or password retrieval, this is not required. Before using SMS, make sure you comply with the local regulations of your target countries. Now, let's look at our use case for SMS. Ali is one of our most loyal customers, but he receives plenty of marketing newsletters every day. We want to make him feel special and reward him for his high engagement. So we send him a simple SMS about an exclusive, time-limited offer that he can receive right away. First, I define the target audience. I want to send an SMS to my most loyal customers like Ali. But for maximum engagement, I also want to include my highly engaged SMS contacts. To do this, I go to the Segments page and create an SMS segment. I name my segment and apply the following condition. Clicked any campaign in the last 10 days. Then I combine this segment with my existing Most Loyal Customers segment. But I exclude my US customers because I'd like to send them an MMS instead. Now this is in place. Time to dive into the features of the SMS channel. So I navigate to the SMS Campaigns menu. If your account is set up with an inbound number for the destination country, you can manage your inbound messages and events on the Inbound SMS tab. Contacts who use the stop keyword to opt out are listed on the stop keyword page, so you can save them in a contact list and engage with them on another channel. All other replies are listed on the Inbox tab. Here, you can check the reply texts. For example, in case a contact has misspelled a stop keyword and needs to be unsubscribed manually. On the Inbound Event Setup tab, you can create, modify, or delete events that will link a keyword sent to your SMS inbound number with a defined action, such as responding to an inbound message, without creating a contact or updating a database field. For example, you might want to offer a discount to clients who reply to your SMS campaign with the word discount. You can then use this event in an automation program to trigger another SMS with a voucher code. Let's move to the Campaigns tab. Here you have the name, type, recipient source, status, number of sent and delivered messages, as well as their creation and last modified date. You can preview, copy, and check reports on your launched messages, and edit, copy, or delete messages in other statuses. Let's create this VIP promo SMS. I click Create Campaign and choose the type. Emarsys does support MMS sending for certain providers, so if you're using one of those, you can also enrich your campaigns with visual content. For more information, check our documentation. For now, I choose SMS. In the campaign settings, I name my message, set the recipient source to the combined segment I created earlier, and click Save and Next. In the content editor, I insert the from name, my message, and a link to the limited promotion. In the preview, the customized tracking URL I set earlier is not displayed, but it will be shown in the Test and Final SMS. On the SMS Basics tab, I turn on the unsubscribe link. For this link, you can directly see the custom domain in the preview. In case you'd like to modify the unsubscribe message, click here. From the Personalization tab, I insert the first name field to my message body. Then I add a voucher personalization as well. To set your links trackable and define a specific name for reporting, go to the Link Tracking tab. If you added further links to your message, you can open and check their validity on the Link Overview page. The SMS is now ready, so let's send a test message. Looks good to me. Let's go to Scheduling. This step is visible only for campaigns with contact list or segments as recipient source. Here, I get a campaign summary with detailed information of the recipients and the estimated costs of the campaign. I can launch the campaign now, schedule it in the future, or save my message as a draft. I schedule my VIP SMS. As I mentioned earlier, for my USA customers, I want to send an MMS instead. On the Campaigns tab, I click Create Campaign and choose MMS. Then I select my pre-created segment. The campaign settings and scheduling is the same as for SMS. In MMS content creation, I add my message, a personalized subject line and images. After inserting those, I switch to the media preview to check if my images are displayed correctly. All inserted media is also listed on the Media tab. Now, let's look at the reporting pages. The dashboard shows the revenue impact of your messages and usage statistics. You can select a date range and see the number of sent messages in total or a breakdown by country with costs and reporting data. Revenue attribution is also available for further analysis. To see the performance of my SMS, I go to the Campaigns tab and click the reporting icon. At the top, you can see the revenue impact of this channel and campaign. Then the summary of sent messages, deliveries, and clicks. The number of unsubscribes, hard and soft bounces, and unknown deliveries indicating that the carrier cannot confirm whether or not the message was delivered. Below, you can see detailed reporting data about the original launch list, the number of SMSs not sent, the number of contacts reached, and responses from your contacts. Click View Details to see basic campaign information like the countries reached, from name, content, as well as date of creation and campaign type. So this is how SAP Emarsys SMS and MMS work. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thanks for your attention.